YouTube, what is going on today? Welcome to another video, and in today's session we are going to talk about how a logarithmic question can be phrased in a practical sense, I would say. So we have a question over here. Let us read it. The decibel gain n of an amplifier is given by n is equal to 10 log to the base of 10 p2 over p1, where p1 is a power input and p2 is a power output. Find the power gain p2 over p1 when n is equal to 25 decibels. So how do we solve this equation? First, we are going to take a look at the equation or the question by itself and then gather some vital information. How do you do that? We can see over here, we have n is equal to 25 decibels, which is very vital. So let's write this down. Let's write the equation down. N is equal to 10 log to the base of 10, P2 over P1. Now we have this over here, and we know that n is equal to 25 decibels. So therefore, we can rewrite this as 25 is equal to 10 log to the base of 10 p2 over p1. Now what do we do next? We can then take a look at the equation again and try to find out what we are supposed to solve for. We are supposed to solve for p2 over p1, not p2 and not p1 by itself. P2 over p1, which is one term. So in order not to get confused, we can replace p2 over p1 with a variable like x. So therefore I'll say let p2 over p1 be equal to x. So this whole thing over here is equal to x. So wherever I see p2 over p1, I put x. So therefore I can rewrite the equation as 25 is equal to 10 log to the base of 10 x. Just like this. And now we can use the power rule over here to take this all the way to the top to get log of x exponent 10 to the base of 10 is equal to 25. Just like this. And we can use the definition or the exponential form to convert this question or this equation right now to x raised to the power 10 is equal to 10 raised to the power 25. Now, how do we solve for x in this equation? We are looking for x. How do we solve for x? So we are going to try to manipulate the right hand side to have the same exponent as the left hand side. What I mean is that we can write over here x is equal to 10 raised to the power 10. And then we can write 10 raised to the power 2.5 or raised to the power 10. And now we can see over here we have the same exponent over here. So if the exponents are the same, therefore the basis should also be the same, because the left hand side of the equation should be the same as the right hand side of the equation. So we can go ahead and say therefore x is equal to 10 raised to the power 2.5. And then we can punch this 10 raised to the power 2.5 into a calculator. And what do we get? We get x to be equal to 316.227. And therefore, we can also say that we know that x is equal to p2 over p1. That's the main question. So since p2 over p1 is equal to x, therefore p2 over p1 is equal to 316.227. That's how you solve it. If you come to the end of this video, if you really liked it, if it helped you out, don't forget to leave a thumbs up on it and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Till next time, I'm Black, and I'm out.